Hi students, welcome to Basic Computer class number 2. My name is Ilyas. Today's topic is Internal Parts of the Computer Case, Theoretical Understanding. Let's start with the external setup. Cabinet, also known as the CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse and power cable. Inside the computer case, you will find motherboard, the main circuit board that connects all components, CPU, central processing unit, the brain of the computer, RAM, random access memory, it helps store data temporarily while working. Hard disk drive stores your software, files and data permanently. Microprocessor, a chip inside the CPU that does the actual computing. SMPS, Power Supply Unit. It provides power to all the components. Computer case, it holds all these parts safely. Theory part, what is a computer? The word computer comes from compute, which means to calculate. A computer is an electronic device that accepts information, processes it, stores it, and gives output quickly and efficiently. Full form of computer: C commonly, O operating, M machine, P particularly, U used for, T technical, E education, R research. So students, that was your class number 2, the theory and introduction to internal computer components. In the next class, we will go deeper into how each of these parts work together. Stay tuned and don't forget, learning computers is fun and powerful. History and generations of computers. Welcome back students. Let's now learn the history of computers and the 5 generations of computing. Father of the computer. The father of the computer is Charles Babbage, a mathematics professor from the 19th century who lived from 1791 to 1871. He designed the analytical engine, the first mechanical computer concept in history. Generations of computers. First generation 1942-1955 used vacuum tubes for circuits, storage capacity very limited 1 kilobyte to 4 kilobyte. Processing speed very slow in milliseconds. Used machine language only. Generated a lot of heat and required large space. Input-output devices were very slow. Very expensive and difficult to maintain. Second generation 1955-1964 replaced vacuum tubes with processing became faster and devices were smaller. Input and output devices improved in speed. Computers became more reliable and efficient. Third generation 1964 to 1975 used integrated circuits ICs instead of transistors. Faster than second generation. Mini computers were introduced. Storage was measured in megabytes. Became more powerful, smaller and cheaper. Fourth generation 1975 to 1989 used microprocessors, combining thousands of ICs on a single chip. Processing speed increased significantly, measured in gigabytes. Very small in size, affordable, and energy efficient. Input-output devices became versatile and more user-friendly. Fifth generation, 1989 to present, based on artificial intelligence, AI, and advanced technologies. Features intelligent processing and easy human interaction. Extremely compact, high storage capacity, and super fast. Includes graphics processing units, GPU, and modern operating systems. This is the era of smart computing, robotics, and automation. And that brings us to the end of today's class. The history and evolution of computers from Charles Babbage to AI. Great job, students. Keep exploring. The future of computing is in your hands. Welcome back, students. Let's now understand the types of computers. Computers can be classified in two main ways. One, based on functionality, and two, based on size and capacity. Analog computers used to measure physical quantities like temperature, pressure, or voltage. Works on continuous data. Example, thermometer machines, scientific instruments. Digital computer companies using binary digits, 0 and 1. Most common type of computer today. Used in schools, offices, and homes. 2. Based on size and performance. Microcomputer, personal computer, commonly used by individuals. Example, desktop, laptop, palm top. Small in size, affordable, used for day-to-day tasks. Desktop computer fixed location, used at home or office. Comes with separate monitor, keyboard, and CPU. Laptop portable computer with all components in one unit. Used by students and professionals. Palm top, very small computer, fits in your hand. Used for basic tasks like notes and calculations. Used in small organizations for handling multiple users. In the next class, we'll continue our exciting journey and go even deeper into the digital world.
Until then, revise today's lesson, stay curious, and keep learning.
And if you enjoyed this class, don't forget to like,